Hi, welcome to my newest listing located at 325 West 45th Street in the Whitby building, Unit 403. We just had a price improvement. The rental is now priced at $2,775. Beautiful building. There are 2 rooftops, a beautiful lobby with a 24-hour doorman, plenty of amenities, storage, laundry room, beautiful space, pet-friendly building in the heart of the theater district, Hell's Kitchen, across from Broadway Dance Center. This has it all. If you want to see and tour this beautiful rental property, it's move-in ready. You can call me at 718-550-8033. This is Chris Caggiano with eXp Realty Luxury. This is the entranceway. This is the kitchen. Nice big window. As you can see, all of the appliances are super clean. Everything's well maintained. Even the microwave. Plenty of cabinet space. The owner comes in and out every once in a while. But this is the space, move-in ready. Maintenance, courtyard out there. And here is the